Two washing machines sit side by side on the showroom floor of a Lowe's in suburban Ohio. Same size, same price. One has a glowing touchscreen on the lid, a Wi-Fi indicator, a smartphone app, and 12 wash cycles a human being will never use. The other has 3 plastic knobs and a lid that opens like a chest. The salesman in the blue vest walks straight past the simple one and steers every customer toward the smart one. He gets a commission either way, but he has been told which machine to sell. In 5 years, that smart washer will be sitting in a landfill outside Cleveland, displaying an error code nobody in the continental United States can clear. The dumb one will still be running in someone's basement laundry room, churning quietly through its 8,000 load. The machines that last are not the advanced ones. They are the stupid ones. Once you understand why, you will never pay for a screen again. Here is the rule every appliance technician in America knows, and not one salesman in a big box showroom will say out loud. Every feature is a failure point. Every chip on a circuit board, every capacitive sensor, every touch panel, every Wi-Fi module is one more component engineered to die. Usually the week after the 1-year warranty runs out. The old machines had a motor, a drive belt, and a mechanical timer the size of a coffee mug. A person with a Phillips head screwdriver could fix one in an afternoon, in a garage, with a beer on the workbench. The new machines are computers that happen to spin, and computers do not get repaired, they get replaced. Start with washers. If you want a washing machine that outlives you, there is one answer. The fully mechanical Speed Queen TC series, a white commercial-grade box that looks like it was designed in 1978 because it more or less was. No circuit board, no screen, no diagnostic codes, just a motor, a transmission, and a mechanical timer with a satisfying click. 20 years of service is not exceptional, it is normal. This is the machine that put the old Maytag repairman out of business. The lonely man sitting by a silent telephone in the commercials. Speed Queen is the last name on the spec sheet that still means it. You will not find the mechanical TC series at Home Depot or Best Buy. You will find it at a small independent appliance dealer, the kind of shop with one location and a service van parked out back. The big chains do not stock it because they do not want to sell you something that never brings you back. If you need a front loader you can buy anywhere. There is exactly one that repair technicians will defend. LG front loaders. When they break, the replacement parts are cheap and the labor is straightforward. 10 solid years is a realistic number. Dryers are simple. Almost any basic Amana or Whirlpool dryer with a metal console and real mechanical knobs will outlive your mortgage. The internal design is 60 years old. A drum, a heating element, a belt, a thermostat. Brand matters less than you think. The actual secret to a 20-year dryer is not the dryer, it is the maintenance. Clean the lint filter after every single load. Pull the dryer away from the wall once a year and clear the vent duct running through to the outside. That trapped lint is the leading cause of dryer failure, dryer fires, and the slow burnout of the heating element. Clean the vent. Stoves. Buy a basic gas range or electric coil top from General Electric, Whirlpool, or Frigidaire. Manual knobs on the front. No smooth glass top, no boutique induction unit with a $400 control board, no double oven with the rotating racks. Whatever you do, never press the self-clean button. The self-clean cycle locks the door and runs the oven interior at 800 to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours. At that temperature, the wiring harness behind the back panel cooks itself. The thermal fuse blows. The control board fails from the inside. Self-clean is, mechanically, a feature that murders the appliance it is installed in. Ask any repair technician in America. Use baking soda and a sponge. Refrigerators. The Holy Grail still exists. A stripped-down mechanical Frigidaire top freezer with a manual defrost timer and no circuit board at all. White box, freezer on top, 2 wire shelves and a crisper drawer. the kind your grandmother had in 1986. $20 in parts repairs anything that ever goes wrong with it. No board means nothing to die. Keep the ice maker out of the fresh food cabinet and out of the door. The moment American manufacturers bolted a freezing ice maker into a warm, humid refrigerator compartment, they broke the entire design on purpose. The ice melts, the water leaks, the evaporator fan ices over. Every indoor ice maker on the market is a service call waiting to happen. If you are still with us, hit subscribe. Industrial Decay publishes a new forensic audit every week, naming the products and the corporate decisions that ended American quality. Back to the list. Dishwashers. One name. Bosch. The 500 series or the 800 series. Quiet enough to run during a dinner party, simple enough to repair, reliable enough that repair technicians install them in their own kitchens. The phrase a tech uses about Bosch is, "I do not see them in the shop. There is no higher compliment in the appliance industry." The Blacklist. Any washer with a full touchscreen lid. The screens are made by a third-party supplier overseas with a 5-year shelf life. When the screen dies, the entire machine becomes a brick. Samsung washing machines. The spider bracket inside the drum corrodes from the inside out. 3 to 5 years in, the bracket cracks, the drum goes unbalanced, and the machine literally walks across the laundry room floor. $400 to $500 to fix a $600 machine. LG refrigerators with the linear compressor have been failing on schedule for more than a decade through multiple class action lawsuits. Any refrigerator with an ice maker in the door, any oven you would run on self-clean. They all caught the same disease. They are too smart to survive. Want proof the manufacturers already know? Read the warranty card. The smart, touchscreen Wi-Fi enabled appliances at the front of the showroom ship with a 1-year warranty. 12 months. The largest companies in the global appliance industry are telling you, in writing, in a document signed by their legal department, that they trust their own product to last exactly 12 months. The Mechanical Speed Queen ships with a 5-year warranty, 5 years on the cabinet, 3 years on the transmission. Different product, different parts, different specification entirely. They can still build a machine that lasts. They just save that version for the customer who refuses to pay for the screen. None of this is bad luck. None of it is accidental engineering. The dumb appliance is not the cheap choice. It is the smart one. No board, no screen, no app, nothing to die. Buy it once, fix it with a screwdriver, and let it outlive you. Make the loneliest repairman in America lonely again. If this changed how you will shop, you already know what to do. We will see you in the next one.